Look around, everyone is moving in the same direction, same jobs, same goals, same money. No one remembers when the movement started, only that stopping feels dangerous. This is not coincidence, this is coordination. Money was once backed by trust, now trust itself tells you where to walk, and when everyone moves together, no one asks who chose the direction. Once trust was human. You trusted gold because you could touch it. You trusted silver because it couldn't multiply overnight. Money didn't force movement, it enabled exchange. If trust broke, the crowd stopped. The system corrected itself, but fragile trust was a problem because fragile systems cannot scale, so trust had to be redesigned. At first, no one noticed the change. Money became paper, paper became numbers. Numbers became screens, trust shifted quietly from understanding to habit. The crowd kept moving, not because they believed, but because they were used to it. Habit is stronger than trust and far easier to control. Banks discovered something powerful. Not everyone stops at once, not everyone questions at once, so money could move faster. Then value promises could outnumber reality. As long as the crowd kept walking, the illusion held. Trust no longer needed truth, it only needed motion. Then governments stepped in. They said, "You don't need to trust money, you need to trust us." Gold was removed, limits disappeared, money became policy, trust became law. The crowd didn't slow down, it accelerated because obedience feels safer when everyone else is obeying too. Now stability is designed, interest rates guide speed, inflation nudges direction, crises reset the pace. The crowd thinks it's walking freely, but the path is invisible. Trust is reinforced daily, paychecks, bills, deadlines, no belief required, only participation. You believe you chose this path, but try stepping aside, opt out of money, opt out of debt, opt out of the system. The crowd keeps moving, and suddenly you're the problem. That's how engineered trust works. It punishes stillness. At some point, questions stop forming, not because answers exist, but because movement demands focus. The crowd looks forward, never sideways, never back. Trust no longer asks, "Is this real?" It asks, "Is this normal?" Then one person slows down, not to rebel, just to observe, and that's enough. Because awareness breaks synchronization, and synchronization is power. The system doesn't fear collapse, it fears pauses. Money was once backed by trust, now trust is backed by systems, laws, and momentum. The crowd will keep moving with or without understanding, but once you see the direction was chosen for you, you realize the most valuable currency left is awareness, and awareness never moves in crowds. The system doesn't run on money, it runs on momentum. As long as people keep moving, debts roll forward, promises renew themselves, and contradictions stay hidden. Stopping would expose imbalance, so movement is rewarded, pauses are punished. The crowd doesn't know it, but momentum is now the most valuable asset. Debt is not just obligation, it is navigation. Loans tell you where to work, mortgages tell you where to live, interest tells you how fast to move, debt gives the crowd a path without ever drawing a map. When everyone owes something, everyone must keep walking. Crises are not accidents, they are recalibrations. When the crowd slows, fear is introduced, recessions, inflation, emergencies, each one resets urgency. Each one tightens formation after every crisis. The direction is never questioned, only the speed. Most people don't understand money, and the system depends on that. Understanding creates friction, ignorance creates flow. Trust no longer means belief, it means acceptance without inquiry. The crowd trusts because it must, not because it chooses to. There is safety in numbers. When everyone moves the same way, doubt feels unnecessary. Uniform direction creates comfort, comfort suppresses curiosity. The system doesn't need force when conformity feels normal. Modern control doesn't watch thoughts, it watches movement, spending patterns, work hours, debt behavior. As long as motion continues, everything is considered healthy. The moment movement changes, attention appears. The crowd believes it is free and it is within the lane. Choose the job, choose the brand, choose the lifestyle, but never question the road itself. Freedom exists. As long as direction remains untouched, stillness is expensive, not financially, socially. Those who stop are labeled irresponsible, unrealistic, dangerous. The system isolates stillness so motion feels mandatory. Eventually, the pattern becomes visible, the repetition, the cycles, the invisible boundaries. Nothing collapses, nothing explodes, but clarity arrives quietly, and clarity changes how you walk. The goal was never escape, it was awareness. You don't need to stop the crowd, you only need to stop mistaking direction for destiny. Money moves crowds, trust moves systems, but awareness moves you, and awareness never needs permission to pause.